Rick and Vicki, the man who pleaded guilty to his role in the 3 murders, appeared before the jury today in handcuffs. Anwan Carter described the gruesome deaths of Christopher Jones and the 2 teenage brothers.
Put a sock in his mouth, tied his hands behind his back, and put a hat over his head.
Anwan Carter says after Bryce Rhodes stabbed and killed 14-year-old Larry Ordway and 16-year-old Maurice Gordon in 2016, he handed him and Ja'Cory Taylor knives and made them make their own mark on the victims. Carter says he then stayed up all night at Rhodes' apartment, cleaning up blood from the living room carpet.
Due to the magnitude of it, we actually removed all the carpet in the living room of the house.
A crime scene technician pulled out a piece of that saturated carpet on day 2 of the trial against Rhodes.
This is part of the pink blanket that was removed from the dumpster,
giving jurors an up-close view of the 7-year-old evidence. The crime scene tech testified they also collected piles of burned items from a dumpster on Hackle Drive.
So this is part of the pink blanket that was removed from the dumpster.
In court on Wednesday, Carter admitted to lighting the evidence on fire in a dumpster. While describing what led up to the boys' murder, he said it started with an argument and the group taking a vote on who should die that night.
They were very loving. They got along with everybody.
Through tears, the grandmother of the murdered teens described them as good-natured boys who stayed out of trouble. Shortly before her emotional testimony, the jury was shown graphic video and photos of her grandson's bodies, found tortured, stabbed, and burned in a backyard in West Louisville. LMPD Sergeant Jason Vance said information he received from the boys' family led police to investigate Bryce Rhodes. While carrying out a search warrant of Rhodes' apartment on North Height Avenue, detectives say they discovered 2 knives and a hammer in his bedroom. They said they also tracked Maurice Gordon's cell phone and found it in the hands of Anwan Carter.
When he saw me, he took the cell phone immediately, concealed it under the mattress.
Carter testified he was there when he says Rhodes shot and killed a 3rd person, Christopher Jones, 2 weeks before the teens' deaths. Carter claimed he was driving in a truck behind Rhodes, Jones, and the teens when the shooting happened. Carter is currently serving time in a Florida prison for multiple burglaries. As for Rhodes, he stayed silent the entire time he was in the courtroom. He will be back in court again tomorrow, as this trial is expected to last for several weeks. Reporting live at the Judicial Center, Madeline Carter, WLKY News.